Hi all. In this video we can see how the data should be entered into SPSS. There are many types of variables as we have seen in the previous video. Now let us continue. The first one here I have explained is gender. So this gender comes under numeric, type numeric, and nominal is the measuring scale. And values, no, we have to give 1 for female or 2 for male or 0 for female, 1 for male, whatever it is. Age, it comes under numeric and scale. Normally we will have it in completed years. And education, a numeric ordinal scale, and valuing labels, it is as per our wish. Here I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from school to professional. So it is in order, it is ordinal scale. Now occupation, just we are giving numbers. So it is a numeric nominal. Number 1 is given to housewife and 2 is student. This is our wish. We can give whatever we like. And locality, we will be giving numeric nominal. This is also as per our 1, 2, 3, 4 east, west and north, south. If you want, you can change and give. So these are the valuing labels, and this is the basic thing you have to know before going into SPS. Now I will start SPSS here. IBM SPSS Statistics 20 for clear understanding. You will get this window. Either you can open existing or you can give cancel here. You will be having two views. One is variable view, another one is data view. So here now this data view, here you can start giving the field name. As we can give our own field data, whatever we are having in our questionnaire. Now I'll start with serial number if you want, otherwise I'll start with age. We have seen already age, it is in numeric. Width, you can reduce the width, just you are giving in two numbers, no, you can give in 2 or 3 maximum. 2 is enough for age. Decimal places we need not give for age, but if you want you can give, otherwise give it as 0. Labeling, age you can label here. Values, you can give the values, otherwise leave it as such. Missing is none. Columns is 8. Alignment also, here you are having left, right, center, whichever want you can give. Measurement, no, here only we should give the measurement of age, we can give in scaling, right? So this is how you have to give. Now come to gender. Next one, gender. Gender, again you are giving in numeric. Here no, 1 is enough for gender. Here there is no need for any decimal places, you can give it as 0. And labeling is also not needed, but you can give labeling. See, we have seen, no, for gender 1 for 1 value, give 1 for male, add 2 for female. See, this is your wish, you can give as you wish. Give OK. Now you can see here you have given some values to this gender, 1 for male and 2 for female. So when you give input as 1, it means it is male, and if it is 2, it means it is female. Right alignment, so this is nominal. And again education. Education numeric, 1 is enough here. You don't want any decimal. Here also I have given 1 only. See, I didn't use this. I have given in mouse. You have to use this. Okay. It is 0. For education, you can give as we have given now, 1 for school, 2 for diploma, add கொடுக்கணும், 3 for graduate, add, 4 for postgraduate, I am giving PG here, and 5 for professional education. Right, add, give OK. It is shown here in the values, it will be recorded. And again now, for education, now numeric and it is ordinal. You come here, it is ordinal. As it is in order, no, you can give it as ordinal scale. And occupation, it is numeric. Here, give 1. Decimal places, it is enough if you give 0. Then occupation, it is nominal. Just you are giving 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 for housewife, 2 for student, 3 for self-employed, and 4 for government employment. I'll write it as government, add, and 5 for private. Add, give OK. Here, occupation is nominal scale. So like this, you have to give data, that is explanation for the data what you are going to enter. So this is the view of the variables. See, age is a variable, gender is a variable, education and occupation. Each and every one you just complete. See, first record you complete, then come to second record. See, age 23, gender 1 is for male, we have given 2 for female, and education we have to give it as 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 4, 5. So 4 I am giving here. Occupation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we are having. So 6. So 34 age, gender is 2, and education is 3, and occupation is 5. See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I have already explained you previously. You just go through and see that 5 and 3. And 21 age, this person is 1 and it is 3, it is 4. Like this you have to enter the data based on the informations available with you, and you can see that this is the type of data entry. This is the age you are giving. See, one by one you have to enter because each and every data is different, and you should not give age alone first. 22, gender male or female. Here you should have only 1 and 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you are having. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you are having. So this is the method of entering data into SPSS. See, variables, first you are giving the variable. Age belong to numeric and scale. Gender belong to numeric. Here you have given values. You can check this. 1 is male and 2 is female. And education, no, you have given 5 types of education. That is why I have given 1 to 5 data here. And occupation, here 5 types of occupation I have given here. So in here, no, here it should not write 6, it is 1 to 5 only. So this is the method of data entry into SPSS. Hope you understood how to enter data into SPSS.